A big pink elephant strolled with grace, with two little friends keeping up the pace. Wearing cool glasses, they lit up the place. Two pink elephants on a scooter zoom, speeding through jungle with vroom, vroom, vroom. Their glasses shine full of fun and boom. They splashed in the stream with giggles and cheer. Water flew high, but their laughs stayed near. With glasses on, they had no fear. They danced in the jungle, trunks swinging wide, twisting and turning side by side, with stylish glasses and jungle pride. Butterflies twirled in a colorful flight. The pink elephants twirled with all their might. Their glasses gleamed in the golden light. Under a tree with bananas to share, they sat down smiling without a care. With glasses on, they made quite the pair. Petals floated down from high in the trees. They caught them with trunks in the jungle breeze. With glasses and giggles, they moved with ease. The sun went down in a glowing sky. The pink elephants walked waving goodbye. Their glasses twinkled as stars passed by.